Hi there and welcome to my channel. As you might hear on my voice, I'm just recovering from a now 6 days cold. So bear with me. I want to share with you some goodies that I found on a flea market just recently. And maybe that's where I caught my cold also, by the classic mistake of wearing not as much clothes as you should during fall. But I want to start by taking a look at these beautiful mussels here. I'll just present them to you one at a time. So the first one we can take a look at. Oh, there's still sand inside. It's this one. Very beautiful. I don't know much about mussels. I think I know the name of one or maybe two mussels, but they're just so decorative. So this one, for instance, I believe could be from an oyster. It has that shape of an oyster. Beautiful colors. This one also very spiky. My intention with buying these mussels is that I want to use them in the freehand drawing course I teach in Copenhagen, because it's really nice to draw mussels because they have all these organic shapes which you can draw and really learn a lot about how planes recede and protrude. But other than that, they're just really, really pretty. I've always loved mussels. I used to collect them when I was a kid. The colors and the shapes are just... So they could be also something that I will just put out on the table or on a shelf, as a decoration. Also just as a very festive decoration on the table. I don't know if you can see, but it has these beautiful purple colors. Very complicated thing to draw actually, but you can choose to draw it in a more simple way, and you can of course also choose to work with colors, all the little nuances. I have a small one here. You could also draw it like this, laying here. And then my favorite, which really reminds me of a narwhal tooth. And I wonder what kind of creature lives inside these. How does that look? That would be interesting to know. This is really nature's perfection, and I bet there's a golden ratio in here. The ratio between the thickest part here and the thinnest part down here. There's probably some kind of mathematical relation there. So that was the first treasures I found at the flea market. I'm very happy about them. And the next thing was at a, how do you say it, a bull. What's that word in English? Anyway, she was selling a lot of clothes, but then she also had this one, blinking to me. Moleskine, very good brand. They usually brag about that Van Gogh, the artist, used Moleskine to draw in, and I think that they might have used molds actually to cover their books with in the old days, but they don't do that anymore, of course. So it's ruled journals. Let's just have a look. Just gonna use the scissor here. See if I can get it open. I love new sketchbooks, and I really don't mind that it has lines in them that they're ruled, because that's just a fun way of working about it, I think. And now I can also write in it. I also like to write in my sketchbooks. Very cute format. Oh, and there's also space for some extra in here, stamps or I don't know, little post-it special notes. And 3 in all, and I gave 50 kroner for these 3, which is like, I don't know, $7. So yeah, that was really a good price. And I love the thing I love about this format is also that I can have it in a pocket. So when I sketch people in the subway or in the train, I have to be discreet, and I can just sit there and sketch as if I was looking at it in my phone. Or and also just a really nice format. I like to draw in this format. You know, you can go draw a motif crossing the pages, a double spread, and yeah, great color also. It feels as if it's just very thick paper for the covers here. And then there's, how many lines or pages are there? 64 lined pages times 3, so that's a lot of drawings I can sneak in there. Yeah, that was some goodies, some treasures from the flea market. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. And yeah, till next time, have fun drawing.